you're watching Fiji Today. Alarming stats on child abuse has been revealed by the Ministry of Social Welfare, Women and Poverty Alleviation. Overall, the ministry has recorded 518 child protection cases, out of which 68 were physical abuse, 30 emotional abuse and 114 sexual abuse cases.
Till June this year, the ministry has recorded a total of 275 child welfare cases. Out of this, 45 cases of physical abuse, 26 emotional abuse and 56 cases of sexual abuse.
These statistics are alarming, and we urge everyone to join hands and work towards creating a safer environment for our children.
Minister for Social Welfare, Women and Poverty Alleviation, Dr. Chico Luveni says, to protect children in Fiji, the government has implemented various legal instruments.
Since ratifying the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child in 1993, we are committed to providing a safe and secure environment for our children. The Child Welfare Decree 2010 provides a framework to ensure that children are always protected. Under the decree, it is an offense if professionals dealing with children fail to report cases of child abuse and neglect to relevant authorities. Other relevant legislations like multi-year work plan with UNICEF also provide the structures to ensure a safe environment for our children.
However, she says there is a need for a collaborative approach to raise awareness on child protection. The minister is urging the media to play a positive role in assisting the ministry to raise awareness on child protection.
The role of media in creating awareness is very important, and the approach taken to media reporting on child protection should be taken with positive angle to wake up the society on protecting our children from all forms of abuse. Media is an important medium to raise awareness on child protection.
60 social welfare officers are also involved in community work advocating the theme for this year's Prevention of Child Abuse and Neglect campaign, Our Children, Our Future, Love and Protect Them. The Blue Ribbon campaign will be commemorated tomorrow.
The FMF Chow Games was officially launched by Prime Minister Commodore Bainimarama at the TFL Stadium today. The two-day event brings together school children from around the country to participate in the much-loved annual sporting event.
In wishing budding track and field athletes well at the TFL Stadium for the 2 days, Prime Minister Commodore Bainimarama thanked coaches for their contribution in building the next generation of athletes and mentors for Fiji and the Pacific. He said the FMF Chow sponsored event of 25 years has created many of Fiji's sprint champions, and that each year new athletes are identified to represent the country in regional and overseas sporting meets.
The Ministry of Education and Sports and the Fiji Primary Schools Athletic Association are committed to providing our children with basic fitness, as well as equipping them with teamwork and critical thinking skills through participation in team sports.
The Games ends tomorrow.
The Fiji Sevens rugby team today presented the itatau to His Excellency the President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau. The team jets out of the country to play at the first round of the IRB Sevens Series competition that will kick off at the Gold Coast in Australia. The Sevens team was led by the new Sevens coach Alfred Tindere to Government House. Join us again after the break.